AMS, American Modular Systems. We're installing 4 Gen 7 classrooms and a restroom facility. These are environmentally friendly, sustainable modular classrooms designed to be an environmentally friendly learning environment. We focused on energy, air quality, also on premium acoustics to provide the best learning environment possible. So you can kind of see here where we have a traditional modular structure, and these are sort of new modular structures to be permanent, last as long as a conventional structure.